welcome to Emma's Life. Today, guest starring with me are Alexis and Katie, my sisters from Lex Kay and Disney. This video is going to be up on their channel too. We are filming one video and putting on both channels. So yeah. Hi, welcome to Lex Kay's Adventures in Disney. I'm Alexis and Kaylee. Today we are guest starring on this video, and she's guest starring in our video, I guess. We're posting this video on both our channels, so go check this out. Okay, yeah, today they are going to be opening, Blind Ads, I'm out of Cody, and it's a little special coming down before. And I am going to be doing this big, huge Play-Doh thing. If you didn't see my sort of little toy hunt yesterday, you saw that we got 2 Blind Ads and this. So yes. So yeah, I will let one of you open up first.
It's a kitty.
Kitty? Let me tell you what number it is. Let me see what it looks like. Oh, it is number, let me see. Okay, I'm just not going to tell you the number because I can't find it. Let me see. It's one with sunglasses on. But okay, so yeah. It's one with, I
found it.
Where?
3774.
Number 377.4. Okay. 3,774. Okay. So now we're going to be opening this. And I've already played with this yesterday. So the colors might be mixed and the box is already open. So yes. Here's the base for it that has molds and clicker parters things because you have to click stuff onto it. So yes, here's the big thing that puts lots of stuff in it, including the merry-go-round. This is called the Cupcake Celebration, and it's sort of like a fair themed, I think. So yeah. And all this stuff comes in like packages and stuff, but I told you I already did it, so I took it all out of the package. It comes with instructions too. Yeah, instructions. And then lots of stuff to put together. So yeah, this little thingy jigger goes right there. I don't know what it's called. It comes with 5 cans of Play-Doh. It comes with yellow and Play-Doh Plus. It comes with pink and Play-Doh Plus. It comes with orange and regular Play-Doh. And it comes with red, sort of pinkish color, and regular Play-Doh. And then it comes with one more, which is blue and Play-Doh Plus. And then there's lots of stuff in here. This thingy that holds a kind of sprinkle maker, which is that goes there, and then you put that through there. Sorry, these Play-Dohs are on there. It was fall off the table. Can you hold those, please? So they don't fall all over the place. Here's a roller. Here's a thing to go on the merry-go-round to hold the cupcake things. Here's a blue one to hold. I got the blue thing that holds the extruder, and I got the extruder at the same time that goes to it. That was weird. Okay. And then that goes with it. That's the extruder. That's a sprinkle maker. And that's an extruder. Here's the thingy that you push with it. Here is a plate. There's lots of stuff. Here is a cupcake holder that I will put in. Okay. Here's these things. So that will go there. Put the blue in there. Pink will go right there. Green will go right there. And this is actually not hard to put together, as you can see, because I'm putting it together all by myself. And then yellow will go right there. There are 5 cupcakes, so you can do this with 4 of your friends, or brothers and sisters, something like that. And then, oh jeez, I'm glad it didn't fall off the table. I put it color coordinated, but you don't have to do that. I just do it that way. And then 2 more things, a fork, and 1 more cupcake holder. Okay, now we can start. Okay, so yes.
Just show one example.
Yeah, 1. I am going to be doing a vanilla cupcake, because that's the only real color except for strawberry, which is pink. And Play-Doh Plus is a lot softer. So yeah, I'll let you guys feel it. Play-Doh does not come out good. Like seriously, feel that?
That feels weird.
Yeah, feels not like Play-Doh.
Does it feel like boogers?
Ew.
Just feel it.
I don't want to feel it.
Okay. Actually feels pretty nice.
That smells weird.
These new Play-Doh cans are so hard to open. Look, where are the scissors? I'm not gonna cut it. I'm just gonna.
Be careful.
Here. Here, pull the top. Now pull. I love how Play-Doh comes in this shape. It's just so weird. Okay, so yes, you might want to close colors that we're not using.
This feels weird. It smells weird.
It smells like regular Play-Doh. It actually smells better than regular Play-Doh. Okay, so I'm going to use the blue example, and I'm going to get some yellow. Where's the yellow? It's right here. Gotta take it out. And then I'm going to put it, so some of these colors are mixed because of my brother. He likes to mix Play-Doh. So, yeah.
Can I make one?
Yep.
Is there any way you can turn it around so you
Yeah,
can see it?
we're going to after we're done making it. So
Do
you
you
can
want to make one? Do you want to make one?
No, mine. Okay. There is molds on the bottom of them, so you can see. And then I made a vanilla cupcake. Alexis is making a vanilla cupcake in the pink holder. What frosting should I use? I think I'm going to use this sort of red pinkish color. And yes, I'm going to extrude that on the thing. So yeah. I'm going to stuff it inside of the extruder. Okay, roll it into a snake sort of thing, looking thing. And then roll another one because it's not enough. Roll a little bit more because it's not enough. Okay, I think that's enough. Then I'm going to put it back in there. The thing just fell. Okay, and then,
Spin you a little bit.
yeah. And then,
I'm snaps on. Try to make
Yeah, it snaps on. So I will push this.
Ooh, it's coming out.
It's actually pretty hard. So you might want to have an adult help you with this part.
Do you want me to do it?
Nope, I got it. And you might have to shape it. It's actually shaping by itself, so you might not have to shape it. I might have to do more, but yeah. And the better way of doing it is just rolling it into a snake and then, as my brother calls it, rolling it into a snake and then just putting it on. But we're doing it the right way. Well, sort of. There's two right ways to do it. We put a little bit more in there. Why does this thing keep falling?
It's not snake on, I guess.
Well, I don't hear a snake.
Fail. Hashtag fail. Just do the snakes. Emma, how about we do it this way?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I can push it out easily.
Go like that. So
You don't need a thing.
take this.
There.
And then roll
Let's
this.
see in here. I mean, I think you put too much in here. Yeah, you put too much in here. Okay.
It got mixed.
It'll turn into purple.
If you don't know, purple's my favorite color.
Okay, let's put it under the sprinkler. Wait, what's in there actually?
Nothing's under it. But, yeah, so you
Do you put actual sprinkles in there?
no, you put the hole in
No,
there, and
it's
then
not
there's
good.
holes at the bottom.
How about we put on orange sprinkles?
Okay. I think that will be too close to the frosting color, so let's just put on this pink.
It's pink. It's pink frosting, Emma.
It's
Then
reddish.
You said orange is too close to it, and yet light pink is close to dark pink.
That's red. Sorry, my dad's talking on the phone right now. So yeah. Hey, go talk to him. At least close the door.
Thank you, Kaylee.
I want to make that cookie that way.
Cupcakes do sound good, don't they?
Yeah.
I want one right now.
I'm looking at that cake box.
In the background.
Oh.
Because my mom has to make something because we're meeting with our family tomorrow. My dad's family, okay. Screw that in there. And
While you do that, I'm going to put frosting on my cake.
I think we're only supposed to do one example because
Yep. Let's do one example, okay?
But you can make it.
that's
Oh yeah,
Some
sometimes
sprinkles.
That's
big
big
sprinkles.
yeah,
Big sprinkles.
sometimes
It looks
will.
it doesn't look like sprinkles at all.
I don't know.
It looks I don't know what it is.
Oh my goodness, this is a really bad.
Anyway, that just looks like more frosting.
I'm not gonna add sprinkles to this
Okay.
because it's.
Yeah.
Okay, that's an example of a cupcake.
No, you
Can you
have
turn
to
it-
like put mold on it and stuff.
Okay, can you turn it around?
Yeah, let me show you my cupcake. It's just with frosting right now, but I'm gonna add some molds to it. So
What
yes,
are molds to it? I don't understand.
there's molds.
Like what?
Like shapes?
Yeah, like shapes and stuff. Can I see some mold? Okay. So I'm gonna create a flower.
Is it weird that I kind of want to eat this?
No, it's not. Everyone wants to eat cupcakes. Okay. I'm gonna take the roller outer. Oh, that actually worked.
We have weird names for things in this family.
If we don't know what it's called, then we call it a weird name. It's true.
Only you do
Rolling
that.
pin, Noah.
Only you do that.
What?
Everybody does that.
It's called a rolling pin.
Sorry. Roll into a ball. I will show you a neat trick to get out Play-Doh if it's stuck in the mold. I learned it from another YouTube channel. You just take the same color if you don't want to mix colors. You take the same color and you might not want to use the Play-Doh Plus for that. You might want to use a different color and then it will pop out. Yeah, you don't want to use Play-Doh Plus molds. It will not work out good.
Okay, let me try. I'm gonna try flour.
Not with Play-Doh Plus, it won't
So
work.
one mold and that'll be it.
Okay.
Which one is this regular Play-Doh?
Yeah, that's regular Play-Doh. I think it's that color. Orange. Okay, my mom says we need to like wrap up, so we'll. Hey, I was gonna do that.
Just do one more.
I'll do this pretty flower sort of thing.
Oh, it's pretty. I'm gonna put it on my flour. Cookie.
Actually, I'm gonna do a happy face. There's an emoji on there. It's a happy face.
Does mine look pretty?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm really tempted to eat this. I'm sorry.
Don't. It will kill you. Zachary, really?
Oh no,
It's a
yeah.
huge mess.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to end the video?
Hold on just a second.
Hold on.
Come on, I'm just making.
Hey, while we're waiting, Alexis, let me see that little pony. Let me see it, the pony.
It's Twilight Sparkle Mom.
Put it down on the
Get
ground. Put it down on the table.
right. Twilight Sparkle Mom. Get it right.
Sorry.
Here's the little spice shop. I almost said.
You almost said so. Hello, Kitty.
And she's an alicorn, okay?
I don't even know what
An alicorn is a Pegasus and a unicorn.
Oh,
and they're
okay.
princesses.
Where's the cat?
Okay,
Right there. That's right, people. I'm a Pegasus sister, and I'm proud of it.
You just got that on the internet.
Okay.
Lots of men are bronies, okay? Lots of people love,
Bring your cupcake near the little pony.
like teenagers love My Little Pony, okay?
Not every teenager.
Yeah, but a lot, okay?
Okay.
Shout out to all my Pegasus sisters out there.
All right.
And here's my cupcake. You put everything.
Okay, that's the only cupcake we're gonna do for today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so like, comment,
Share, subscribe
to both channels.
Have a magical Disney day.
And that's all for today on Emma's Life. Bye.